What's up, people? Hope you all had a great Father's Day weekend. Went to Great Adventure. Haven't been on those rides in a long, long time. Everything's changed, but basically all the same. Got to see my kids grow up right before my eyes as they overcome their fears of roller coasters, and they went from screams of complete frightening screams of death to screams of enjoyment and happiness. So it was a fun time. Hope you all had a good time. Coming into this weekend, we were all expecting these monumental news coming out of Greece. And considering the psychotic move we had into the close on Friday, you had to think about one thing.
Was it priced in? Did the market just move in anticipation of the vote? Is it priced in?
I always wonder if just everything is already priced in. Life is priced in. So what was going to happen over the weekend, right? And let's take a step back. If there's something that's going to hurt the world, don't you think the powers that be won't let it happen? So why do we ever have any fear? There shouldn't be any fear of anything ever. And the market should go up every single day because we could always assume that some government will come to the rescue of the other government, which will come to the rescue of the other government. They'll do this, that, and the other thing, shell game, smoke and mirrors, and they'll save the market. So why do we ever sell? Why do we ever go down, right? It's all manipulated so then we could buy stocks cheaper. That's what it is. So we had the news, and the market was gapping up, and the headlines read, market futures rally on Greek, blah, 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 right? And then next thing you know, the futures start to fade, and they start going down, down, down. Now the headline reads, fear of Spain taking away from the Greek news. So then what happens when the market starts going up? Oh, no, we're not worried about Spain now. The market's going back up. No, man, erase that story. Go back to the other story. We're feeling good again about Greece. Listen, nothing makes a difference. And on Friday, we were talking about how all this maneuvering is eventually going to lead to the downfall of society, which, again, it may, because we're just pushing it. Eventually, hopefully, there is no currency. Maybe we'll all be back on the barter system. Maybe we won't ever have to pay back debt. But the thing is, it's all about what's happening right now. What was happening right now is everything was going green today. Facebook's back. Social media's back. LinkedIn going to 120. Everything's back. Google found a bid. Priceline found a bid. You've got nothing to worry about except U.S. Steel and Walter Energy still stink. But today, we had another extraordinary day. Again, if you come to the radio broadcast, sometimes you'll hear me talking about the end of the world like it's coming for real. But again, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because I own nothing right now except AIG and some Penson, PNSN, you know that one? Nothing matters except what we do today because all we're trying to do is make a living and scraping something out of the market, waiting for something that looks good, that normally works. If it normally works, do the trade. If it works, boom, you've made some money for the day, moving on. And that's what we did. Facebook, FSLR, and then even the deck had a nice move there to 49 there for a second. So I invite you to come to the room. If you want to commiserate about how this is all bullshit and you're sick and tired of Greece and you're sick and tired of Portugal and Europe and all this other bullshit and you're sick and tired about the shell game, you hate Obama, you hate Romney, you're looking for a third-party candidate, whatever the thing is, whatever you want to talk about, we talk about it on the show and we sprinkle in some fantastic stock ideas also. And then between 11:30 and 12, you have Mr. Talkin come in, does his charting. We take a break for an hour, and then he comes back for a good hour, goes through any chart you could possibly want or think of, and then we take it into the home stretch later on in the day by pranking investor relations for a good period of time. So if there's a company out there you want to find out more about, what better to do than call the company themselves? Most of them don't pick up, but when they do, we have some fun with them. So I'll see you in the room, and remember, get in touch with me.
Uh-oh!